Moving on now, wildfires fanned by winds in Greece led to the death of one person in the northeastern regions of Evros. Officials in Greece are issuing warnings that most regions are at high risk of new blazes. Authorities are calling for the evacuation of several communities in the region, which is near the border with Turkey. A total of 64 wildfires erupted across Greece in the last 24 hours. Scientists say the new wildfires are due to hot, dry and windy conditions exacerbated by climate change. Over 200 firefighters, backed by 18 aircraft, were battling a wildfire burning for the third day in the region.
It has reached the entire village. Our own house up there, where the fire started, has completely burned down. There is nothing. And you can see it. If you show it, you can see everything. Now it descends downwards towards the entire village.
Meanwhile, in Spain, firefighters are battling to stabilize a huge wildfire that scorched forests on the Spanish island of Tenerife for 6 days. Now the fires have ravaged some 12,800 hectares of woodland. Authorities are recommending citizens to stay indoors to protect themselves from the poor air quality. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.